Sky-high energy prices means improving heating efficiency has been a real goal for us and is more important than ever before. We've installed the iSense Wi-Fi Radiators and its dedicated heating management app in two of our large buildings. We had initially predicted a saving of 20% using conservative assumptions, and we're pleased to see that users and building managers quickly adapted to achieve even better results. Clanfield home heating's related energy usage has now reduced up to 30%. With the reduced heat consumption since the introduction of the iSense radiators and the dedicated management app, here at Clanfield we are now running one of only two of our large boilers, where previously we used to run both together and at full power. It's a smart, responsive app that can be accessed from a desktop, laptop or any mobile device. We're able to be in full control of each room, setting each temperature range individually to suit the resident in that room at any given time, and we can alter it at the touch of a button on a mobile phone. The radiators not only look good, but they perform absolutely superbly in an environment that we have been challenged to do so.